Hello friend, now let us understand the adiabatic process. Okay, what is meaning of adiabatic process? So adiabatic process means heat transfer will be zero, students. Okay, so a process in which exchange of heat between system and surrounding does not takes place is known as adiabatic process. So adiabatic process is a process in which exchange of heat between system and surrounding does not takes place. For adiabatic process, delta Q is equal to 0. Okay, delta Q is equal to 0. Okay, and it is a path function, student. It can be achieved by insulating the boundaries of system. Means what they are saying, this is the process. Okay, this is the system, and if you talk about the surrounding, student, so they are the insulated layer are there. This is the insulated layer. Okay, and if this insulated layer is there and here is the surrounding, this is the surrounding. So if insulated layer is there, student, no heat transfer takes place. Q is equal to 0. So no heat transfer takes place means the this will be the adiabatic process. Okay, here you see in adiabatic process PV curve is there. Okay, at constant temperature. So what you are finding, that is, this is the constant. Q is equal to not changing, pressure volume is changing, but Q is remain the same, not changing. Now here also you see, student, that is PV diagram is there. Okay, but if you see adiabatic condition, here the Q is equal to 0. Q is 0. It is also the Q is equal to always 0. Now you see some question based on this. What is adiabatic process? Okay, an adiabatic process is defined as a process in which no heat transfer takes place. This does not mean that the temperature is constant, but rather than no heat transfer is transferred into out for the system. The actual definition of the incentropic process is adiabatic reversible process. Okay, so that is no heat transfer takes place, student. What is adiabatic process example? Example. It is it is a process where there is a gas compression and heat is generated. One of the simplest example would be the release of air from the pneumatic tire. Pneumatic tire. Adiabatic efficiency is applied to develop such as nozzles, compressors, and turbines. One of the good application for the adiabatic process where the transfer is taking place too fast, so that we cannot measure the heat exchange. Why adiabatic process is fast? The short answer is because heat exchange typically proceed slowly. Because heat exchange proceed typically slowly. Thus, if process occur fast enough, heat exchange does not have time to occur in any significant way, and the process is adiabatic for the lack of heat exchange. I hope this will be helpful, student. Heating is called the adiabatic conditions occurs when the gas pressure increase due to work added. An example of adiabatic heating is a heat engine piston that compresses a gas contained within a cylinder. Gas compressor leads to temperature rise. Gas compressor leads to temperature rise. Each work done is a adiabatic process. Each work done is a adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is one in which no heat is gained or lost by system. The first law of thermodynamics with Q is equal to 0 shows that all the change in internal energy in the form of work done. This condition can be used to derive the expression for the work done during the adiabatic process. Means what they are saying, there is no heat transfer in adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is so fast that we cannot even think about the exchange of heat, as the exchange of heat is a very slow process. So thank you so much for watching, friends.